Good day everybody and welcome to Inquirer Mobility. This is RD Lopez and welcome to the Mobility Update. How you guys doing? I know we're like 7 weeks into this enhanced community quarantine and I don't mean to rub it in, but I hope you're all staying safe and healthy in both mind and body and just making the most out of the situation. But I know all you motorsports fans out there are having a hard time because you haven't had your motorsports fix in a long time. But I think I got the next best thing. From the land of the hottest supercars in the world, Lamborghini factory drivers have signed in for the 2020 SRO Esport GT Series. You heard that right? Race fans will still get their motorsports fix, although virtually, on the six-leg series. Lamborghini's 2019 long-paying GT champ will head this campaign with a team that includes a former F1 driver, and they'll all be driving Lamborghini Huracan GT3 EVOs, man, via their pro simulators. Round 1 has already taken place last April 26 on the virtual Silverstone racetrack, and Round 2 will be on May 10 at the 24 Hours of Spa. Round 3 happens at the Nürburgring on May 17, followed by Round 4 in Barcelona in Spain. You know, the virtual Barcelona, Spain. Round 5 will be on June 14 with the details of the virtual venue to be announced, along with the details of the grand finals. So you're going to be able to catch up and watch Round 1 of the SRO Esport GT Series, and all you got to do is point your browser to sro-esport.com. Register, log in, look for the video, and watch Round 1. You can also search for the same name on Facebook to get to their page and find a link to view the video. Once again, this has been RD for Inquirer Mobility. I'll catch you on the next Mobility Update. Stay safe.